Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all emails in one click. So let's see how we can do this thing. By default, if you want to delete an email, you just need to select it like this way and you need to press delete button. But it's a time consuming, because if you have a big size of email box, that means you have thousands of email, then this approach is very difficult. Even though you can select like 50 or 100 emails together from here, from each page, and then you can delete, that is also time consuming. So let's see how we can delete all emails by one click. So the main criteria for doing this thing, you need to select all the emails, then only you can delete only one click, right? So how can you do this thing? On your Gmail, after logging, on the left side you'll find a couple of menus are there, like inbox, then sent, draft, and so many things. But there is one hidden menu that is called all mail. We just need to click here more and it will be expanded, and from here you will find all mail. All mail means here all the email will be located. It doesn't matter whether it is some particular level folder or some particular inbox folder or sent folder, doesn't matter. We just need to press it, all mail, and here you will see a list of emails is there. So it is loading one by one like this way. So by default it is showing only 50 items. And on the right side here you are seeing that I have total 1459 email is there, or for your case it may be like thousands, more than like 30,000, 50,000 emails are there. So basically it's not showing everything, only the first 50 items is showing. Now we need to select all the email. So to select all the email, the traditional way we know, at first we need to click here this small drop down, and then it will bring this menu. From here we have to choose all, but here it is actually showing 50 emails has been selected. Now if you press delete, only this 50 email will be deleted and next 50 will come again, like that way. But we are not planning that way. We want to delete all things, all emails together by one click. So we need to change our filter, I mean selection step. So next to this line, basically there is a very nice text. Most of the time, most of my friend or like some other people, they, when they ask me, they also didn't notice this thing. They just read only this part, they don't read this part. So this part they skip generally. So this is the hidden section basically, or like most people they don't notice. So here they mention select all email. Here they mention 1459, and see this number and this number is the same, right? So these and these are the same. So what we need to do, we just need to click here and then only it will be selected instead of 50. So now 50 is selected from here, right? From this drop down, right? From here we selected all, and 50 emails has been selected, and now it only pops up that type of selection criteria or button. Now what you need to do, we just need to click here. So I'm going to click here, and here you will see all emails are selected. Here they mention all, this is the 12 number of emails selected. So that's it. Now our selection is done. Now we'll click only once in the delete icon and it will be deleted. So once I click delete, it will be deleted. I'm not going to delete all my email, I just showed you. You can, if you want, you can press this delete button and every email of this email will be deleted. I mean in this account will be deleted. After the deletion, all the email, it should be going in the trash. And here Gmail generally it gives like 30 days email. So after 30 days everything will be removed from here. And if you want to remove from here also, we just need to press this button, empty trash now. So then what it will do, it will clean the trash completely and everything will be deleted. And if you want to restore back, you can also restore from this location also, like by checking, and you can also restore. But I'm not going to show you this thing. The main theme of this tutorial was to delete all email by one click. So that's it guys. Hopefully by watching this video you know now how to delete all emails by one click. Thank you guys for watching the video.